Having trouble with your Windows 11 laptop? Sometimes, a fresh reset is all you need to fix slow performance or errors. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Windows 11 laptop step by step, the right way. To start, click the Start button at the bottom left of your screen, then click on Settings, or simply press Windows +I on your keyboard. In the Settings window, go to the System section and scroll down to find Recovery. Click on it. Under Recovery Options, you'll see the Reset This PC button. Click on the Reset PC button next to it. Keep My Files. This keeps your personal files like photos and documents, but removes apps and settings. Remove Everything. This deletes all your files, apps, and settings for a full clean reset. Choose Keep My Files if you want to save your personal data. Next, you'll choose how you want to reinstall Windows. Cloud Download downloads the latest Windows version from Microsoft. Local Reinstall uses the files already on your PC. If you have a fast internet connection, choose Cloud Download. If not, go with Local Reinstall. Finally, click the Reset button. Your laptop will restart and begin the reset process. This can take 30 minutes to over an hour, depending on your laptop and the option you selected. Once the reset is complete, your laptop will restart and guide you through a few basic setup steps, just like when you first bought it. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Windows 11 laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tech tips.